This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Janet Lineberg. Pricing dependent on number of days booked, 3 months minimum is required. Available September to December 2023 and 2024 Jan, December less than bedroom B greater than first floor unit available for rent. /B bedroom greater than this Bird Bay Condo is only 1.5 miles to Venice Island, Venice Beach is only 2.5 miles away. Directly behind this condo is a community pool. It is fully furnished with all the comforts of home with a fully equipped kitchen, washer and dryer. Everything you need to enjoy your visit to Venice, Florida, from beach towels, chairs, golf clubs, tennis rackets to board games and more. Bird Bay's resort-style amenities include pickleball, tennis courts, Olympic pool junior size, fitness center, library shuffleboard, bocce courts and a second community pool behind this unit. This first-floor spacious 1,013 square foot condo has 2 comfortable-sized bedrooms, a master bedroom, king-sized bed, walk-in closet, with adjacent bathroom, and the guest room has a queen-sized bed, walk-in closet, and a bathroom close by. Every room has an abundant supplies with home conveniences. Enjoy the glass-enclosed Florida room with a view of peaceful lush landscapes and watching local wildlife, or sit outdoors on the lovely back patio. Morning, day or night there are events and things to do. Stroll the historic downtown Venice, or events from walking nature paths, Legacy Trail, beaches, activities, concerts, dining and more. Less than bedroom B. Book this in advance, prices dependent on number of days booked. Less than bedroom /B. Available, 2023 APR, May, June, July, August, separate, $2100 per MTH. 2023 OCT, NOV, DEC, $2600 per MTH. 2024 Jan, Feb, MAR $3300 per MTH. For more information, review the details below or contact Janet Lineberg at 941-225-5289.